don't know. One of them might. How do they know when it like touches the ground? Stick your foot out further. They're not coming. Just leave it on your flip flop. Dude, they're coming. Leave it on your flip flop. He probably isn't as scared of that. I mean, I don't know. Just stay real still. No, I think maybe just take off your flip flop. You can leave it on your flip flop. No, I mean, I'm gonna take off your flip flop so you get off your flip flop, not your foot. It wasn't specific. Take your flip flop off. Dude, leave it there and then sit back.
Oh, you always gotta take all the good fresh.
Okay, look, juicy. I don't like crunchy fries.
I know, you always like taking the best of the food and leaving me the worst of the food.
Sorry. Be happy I'm eating it. Okay, I'm gonna foot fry. Well, get your toe off of it. Yeah. Just sit there with it. No, it's not gonna take it from you. Just put it there and move, or it's not going to take it. Just stay right there. It might get it there, but I don't know. It's so close. Alright, put on. It's taking a long time, Mo. Uh-oh. Here comes some. I don't want this one. Oh no.
Trying to get land, but it don't
Here it is, Mo. Oh, he doesn't like you.
You were in the way.
It's because people walk by. Stop it, Cameron.
Wait, you moved it?
Yeah. Stop moving towards it. Just stay still. They're thinking about it, but you're hovering. Just wait, they'll come. Oh gosh, go away. You're too close. They don't want to get it. Don't move. Freeze. There might be a braver one. I'm not getting anywhere near those stupid things. You can throw one. I'm so against this, but do it anyway. Throw one. Alright, don't do it again. That one won. He tells the fry. See, you wanted them to hang out with you. There you go.
Alright. You got him.
Oh, no.
I want to put a slide by me.
No, just don't move. Sit it right beside you. If they come eat it, whatever. That's on them. I don't think they will. Don't move. They're thinking about it. Cameron, it's like a pigeon lady. Come on.